Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. I was gonna say welcome back to my video. Welcome back to my channel. Sorry I've been gone for a while. I've been getting my wisdom teeth taken out one by one, so I'm a little swollen and I'm a little sore, but I'm gonna get this video out for you guys because I've been promising to you guys. This is an unboxing with influencer, so if you want to see, and it's kind of like a testing the products, so stay tuned. And yeah, stay tuned. Oh, guess what? And I have a new intro and outro, so yeah. Tell me what you guys think about that down below. Make sure you guys subscribe and hit the notification bell. And the light is changing. Oh my god, I'm so swollen. But yeah, it's good to be back.
They looking, but I'm not though. I'm taken by what I got though. So taken by what you talking about. You're the baddest one all around.
So we're gonna jump right onto the unboxing. This is what I received from Influencer. And for this campaign, they partnered with Beautyblender, as you can see, and this is all the stuff that I received. The first thing I got was a beauty blender, limited edition Beauty Queen beauty blender, $20, and I received 6 of them. So right off the back, that's $120 worth of free product. Right off the back. Amazing. So this is the second thing I received, and it is a solid cleaner, what you use to clean your beauty blenders with. It has a pink thing that you scrub on and a white soap bar in there. This retails for $16. And yeah, here's a bigger version of it. This one retails for $20, and it's basically the same as the smaller one that fits like right in your palm, but it's bigger and you hold it. This one, same thing, same pink thing in Alva scrub, and it comes with this little pamphlet that has a sample of the liquid cleanser for your sponges or brushes. And yeah, really nice. And that's $160 worth of product right there that I received for free from Influencer. So I suggest you guys hit that link down below and go check out Influencer. I am positive you guys would like it. So there's many ways that you can use your beauty blender. For me, I use it to blend out my concealer under my brows when I'm cleaning up, or to highlight under my eyes, my nose, chin, forehead. I use the beauty blender for all that. I also use the beauty blender to set my concealer, and I also use it to bronze or contour my face. For this video, I did use powder contour, but you can use liquid contour as well, or a cream. I also use it to contour my nose, which is very easy because of the way that the beauty blender is shaped. I also use it for highlighting my nose and my cheek, and there's just many things that you can do with the beauty blender. I did apply my foundation with the beauty blender as well before. So when I recorded the beginning of the video, I thought I recorded an ending too. I guess not, so I'm here now. It's a different day, but so I just want to say thank you to Influencer and Beauty Blender. I'm happy I was part of the campaign. I love my beauty blenders. And yeah, stay tuned if you guys want to see how I use the products to clean the beauty blender. So what we're gonna do, this is the solid that they sent me. They also sent me a huge one, but today for this video we're gonna use the small one. The white little circle is what you're gonna use, like the soap, and the pink thing is what you're gonna use to scrub against, to scrub the beauty blender against, to help get the dirt and stuff out. So you always want to wet your beauty blender. You should know that by now. Always, always, even when you're gonna do your makeup before, wash it or clean it, anything, you want to wet your beauty blender. So like I said, we rub it in the soap, scrub it on the little pad. The little pad's so cute. I think it's a butterfly. Yeah, it's a butterfly. And so just scrub, 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 and it should get the soap all through the beauty blender, and I like to scrub it under the water and then squeeze it so that the water goes through and gets all the dirt out with the soap in it. I like to use my thumb on the real, like, how do you say it? The real tough spots, and rub it against my thumb to get the dirt to come out. There was one little spot on there that I could not get out at all. I like swear to you, it would not come out. See, I was still scrubbing it. I was like, oh my gosh. But eventually it came out. And so yeah, so you're just gonna keep doing the same process over and over again until your beauty blender is cleaned all the way to your liking. And that's it. I should have another video coming out for you guys soon, but thanks for tuning in. I have to get another wisdom tooth taken out here pretty soon. So I'm gonna try to get that video done for y'all, and I'll see you guys next time, loves.
I just want you to see this is me. So please accept me for who I am. And please accept me for what I do. I'm just doing